Oi. What a bizarre looking creature. Right. It's a little bit more acrobatic than I expected. Sounded a little raspy, but
Yeah.
is that cable art?
You'd fall asleep while you were doing it.
Yeah, I know that. I'd fall asleep when I was sailing.
That's what I meant.
So come in
Really on fixed wing control.
Well, a long time ago I started there. It must be 10 years ago. But I've had a couple of hours on the sim, so I think I'm okay with basic control. I've just never flown anything this big, which is what I find most intimidating, and I've never flown anything with an engine in it, which is even more intimidating. So yeah, I'd be lying if I said I was completely at home with it. But in terms of controls, yeah.
Unlike helicopters, that isn't up and down.
Aye.
That's your thrust. That's your engine speed forward thrust. Your left and right on there, which is left aileron which rolls it, and right aileron which rolls it to the right.
Aye.
Left and right. And then your elevator, you pull back for up elevator.
We will do.
How much rudder does it need in when you turn in?
And then rudder left and right.
Does it need a lot of rudder feeding in to turn, or is it just like banking and...
Rudder is secondary when you're in the air. You can fly without it.
Okay.
So don't worry about the rudder.
Okay.
It's just a combination of turns. It's just initiate the turn, and then it might need a bit of up as well with it to stop the nose dropping.
Aye.
Depends how steep you do the turn.
Okay.
And you know about orientation and reverse when it's coming towards you, don't
Yes.
you?
Yeah.
So,
We often, on planes,
sure you'll be alright.
No,
planes like this, we often automatically mix in the rudder with it. So you don't, so it will operate without you having to actually do anything.
Okay.
I don't use mixing. I use both thumbs when I'm flying.
Yeah, I'd rather have them separate, and then I know if I need it, I'm using it. I think.
It's if you just use ailerons, it's more full-size flying is this. If you just use ailerons, you'll feel some side slip in it, and the aeroplane will be side slipping a bit, as well as banked over. If you use a bit of rudder as well, it kicks the tail round and balances the turn.
Aye.
This is the one you'll use.
Okay.
With it being old-fashioned, it doesn't have digital trims. And these are set, so be careful when I hand you it, and when you're handling it, that you don't actually knock these trims.
Understood. Thank you.
Because what I do, all I do is hold that, and you have control now. If you check the left and right with your right stick, left, right,
So
that's left,
Yeah.
and right, that's it. Up elevator, back stick, that's it. Forward elevator, forward stick, that's it down. And then rudder, left and right. That's it. And then that's your motor control when you open it.
Is it okay, Tom?
Well,
Yeah.
It's
not running, so nothing will happen.
Okay. Yeah, just want to
Yeah.
feel my range.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's it.
Understood.
I'll do the takeoff and landing because
Thank you very much.
it's
Safer for everyone.
club material.
Yeah.
It's Colin. It's that chrome. They're really good motors.
Just trying to say from the balance there.
Crikey. That's the quiet sort of motor. That sounds
Yes.
aggressive as hell.
God no. They get a lot more aggressive than that. The way that the sometimes when you land, and it doesn't seem fresh air, you stop.
That's terrifying.
Lovely little motor, really nice. And the Alpha as well.
It doesn't look like something that size should make that much noise to me.
If you get into difficulty, obvious difficulty, I'll take it back and tell you I've got control.
Okay.
If you're panicking and want me to take it, you tell me.
Just say take it.
Take it please.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes, absolutely. Should I leave my throttle at a certain percent?
When I hand over, I'll tell you about the same position when I hand over.
Okay.
Alright Richard. Okay, I'm taxiing. Always take off into wind or as near to wind as you can. Take it off. Alright.
Bit of side wind. Front wheel bogged down.
It's in a rut.
Oh, we're off. We're off.
Oh,
It was.
right. I'll do a couple of circuits. This is the flying area that we like to stay in, away from us.
So high.
You're fine, you're very little movement.
How quick will it turn if you need to? I'm worried about orientation so far away.
Concentrate on flying with your right hand. Okay, if you look at the position of my throttle stick,
Aye, about 50.
about half or
Yep.
just under?
Yep.
Half. Okay, ready?
Yep. I've got.
You have control.
I've got no. Oh, okay. 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 Thank you. I'm I'm so worried about flying stuff far away.
Don't worry about it. He's in control of it.
Okay.
Oh, you
Sorry. Have you got it? Yeah.
You're used to having little
It's
models
yeah.
flying
It's the height. I find it so strange to be so far away.
I have to say, in all honesty, you've done
It's
better
big
than
enough
some
to
of
see,
the
don't panic about it. Ready?
Yes.
Your control.
Okay. I'll try and keep it a little higher. I'm going up. I'm going up. It's plenty agile. I was worried about a turning circle on it.
No, you don't have to worry about that.
Just get the feel of it.
And to be honest, it will turn a lot tighter than that. You won't.
You know what? I daren't go any higher than that. It might feel a bit odd to you guys, but
No, that is a good height.
I'll try not to bring it any lower.
It's a height. No, you don't want to be any lower. It's a height by which Colin can catch it, and has got a fighting chance of catching it if it all goes horribly wrong. And it's low enough for you to see it, but it's high enough for us to save it. So that's a good height.
Yeah, it's interesting how the wind feels very different on it on turning left and the right.
Yeah. And also you've got the gyroscopic effect in the front as well.
Try and take it up a little bit. Sorry.
They never turn the same left and right.
Okay, I'll take it a minute, Liam.
Okay, go
Have
for it.
control.
Go for it.
Yeah, you've been doing lazy 8. Right, it's fine. It's a bit like start up mechanical system. You don't like playing a circuit outside yourself when you're learning. You zigzag left and right. I want you to try and go further out and do a right-hand turn for a full circuit.
Okay.
Right, I'll show you what I mean.
Okay.
When you make your turn,
So you want me to be
let it
turning
go further
slower?
Let it go further out.
so far away.
Well, your eyesight's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, but
And then you've done a full circuit with you outside.
okay.
Have a go at that.
Okay, have I got it?
No, not yet. You have control.
Okay.
Try another one of those.
Yeah, I'll try and turn it slower. I dare not put any aileron in. I think, sorry, a rudder in. I think it's a muscle thing.
It's, it will turn without the rudder. It
Okay.
will turn with only the rudder. But,
Go back to a couple of figure eights that you were doing there.
Should I try a circuit the other way? A little bit slower. It's terrifying.
otherwise it was going to crash. And you haven't shown any signs of crashing. So. You see how it's less is more. You don't need.
No, it's way more agile than I expected it to be. Way more. Because I'd only really got a concept of the high wing, large high wing trainer on the sim, and it's super tamed. Anyway.
One of the real tricks for it is to try and make it fly straight and level. Just go to fly out and then turn around and then just fly straight and level.
I've control there, okay.
Okay, you got it.
Out there.
Going to persist.
The racetrack type turn to line with the runway again. And then fly straight level. Okay, you're in control.
Okay, I've got it.
Don't turn yet.
Oh, but I kind of already started. I really want to go further out than that. Crikey.
Straight and level now. Turn. Don't turn yet. Don't turn. Now turn. Straight and level.
It's not a strong wind. It's real strength in the wind. It's amazing the difference in speed between
Can I turn?
upwind and downwind.
It's terrifying. I really don't like them being that far away. I feel out of touch with the model and panicky. I'll try one more time.
You have flown more before, but you've not flown big swing.
I feel a little gust behind your butt over there.
You will do. When it's blowing, which way is it blowing? It's actually blowing, yeah. That's why it's blowing down.
Right, I've taken it.
Okay, got you. You got it. Yeah, appreciate it. Flies for so long.
When I give you it, I want you to bring the throttle fairly, not right down to the bottom, but fairly low. Put your stick right at the bottom and up 2 or 3 clicks.
Okay. Yep.
You have control.
It's so high.
Now you just steer it.
Okay.
It'll lose height on its own.
Okay.
I want you to just steer it, let it lose height.
Okay. You can turn.
And when you get to boundary height, and when you start putting power on and climbing away, just let it sink. Bring your stick back a bit more, there's a bit more power.
Okay. Okay.
Bring that left thumb down a bit, that's it.
And then when I come a bit lower, you want me to climb again?
Okay, just a little bit more power now. Okay, now put full power on and climb. Climb to the heavens.
Now, full power. All of it.
Full beans.
A bit more up. Come on, come on.
That. Oh.
Okay. Down now to about halfway, a bit more.
Let's come and do a figure 8. Right round the other way. It does sound lovely at a slower.
Told you it did, didn't you? When you're 200 feet away and it's chugging away, it sounds gorgeous.
Yeah, do another couple of your figure 8s and I'll have to land it for you.
Okay. Sorry, I'll take it. I'll take it higher.
Getting too high. Use the throttle to control the height.
Okay, do you want to take it?
Okay, I'm going to take it now.
Okay.
I have control.
Craig. My mouth's well dry. My mouth is well dry. I think I was just starting to get a little bit of Elvis shaky leg as well.
It's across the strip, Colin. A little bit down.
Yeah, it's definitely coming towards us a little, isn't it?
landing.
One of the funny things is almost by no exception, they all land and have different routes to land. I wouldn't have gone that far, but I'm sure he will land it absolutely perfect.
It's so delightfully slow looking when it comes to land. That's not. Thank you
that-
ever so much. Thank you.
that's-
Thank you.
And that's the advantage of it, is because it's
Do you want me to take anything?
Right, I've got it.
Won't
Come
get
on,
it
you
for you.
retrieve. Thank you.
Oh, honestly, thank you ever so much. As you can tell, I think the height and
Yeah,
just the
totally different to little helicopters.
yeah, it's the more of a point of view. Something I'm not familiar with. I
You've
should
had a
say.
little go on a simulator fixed wing, you said.
Yeah, but
They're very good at those.
I need to
but
fly
you-
further away, just
very-
to be familiar with that.
The thing I find with simulators is they're very good, they're realistic, but you lose track of where you are relative to the ground. You don't know where you are really.
I've been setting the view on Phoenix to ground in view, so it doesn't leave fully. It helps a little bit, but I think that's what's making me fly closer
Yeah.
rather than far away.